Hello everyone, you're listening to OTV Top 10 with Deepti Ranjan and Akanksha. Today is the 26th of November and here are the top news of the day.
President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the gathering at the Central Hall of Parliament House on the occasion of Constitution Day. The President said that the framers of our Constitution had adopted this document 72 years ago in the Central Hall for a bright future of independent India. The President also added saying that the development journey of India has been progressing on strength of our Constitution. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also addressed the gathering and raised the issue of dynasty politics, saying one party is serving one family, adding that some parties have lost democratic values. Let's hear what the PM had to say on the matter.
राजनीतिक दल, पार्टी फॉर द फैमिली, पार्टी बाय द फैमिली, अब आगे कहने की जरूरत मुझे नहीं लगती है। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी हरी राजनीतिक दलों की तरफ देखिए, ये लोकतंत्र की भावना के खिलाफ है। संविधान हमें जो कहता है उसके विपरीत है। और जब मैं ये कहता हूं कि पारिवारिक पार्टियां, इसका मतलब मैं ये नहीं करता हूं कि एक परिवार में से एक से अधिक लोग राजनीति में ना आए। जी नहीं, योग्यता के आधार पर जनता के आशीर्वाद से किसी परिवार से एक से अधिक लोग राजनीति में जाएं, इससे पार्टी परिवारवादी नहीं बन जाती है। लेकिन जो पार्टी पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी एक ही परिवार चलाता रहे, पार्टी की सारी व्यवस्था परिवारों के पास रहे, वो लोकतंत्र, स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र के लिए सबसे बड़ा संकट होता है।
Member of Parliament from Bhubaneswar, Aparajita Sarangi, expressed that she feels unsafe as a female lawmaker in the constituency. Sarangi lashed out at BJD leadership, especially Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, while asking him to take responsibility for the attack on her incident as the head of the ruling party. This is what the parliamentarian had to say on this matter.
मु जणे महिला सांसद मु सुरक्षित नुहे आ बंधुगण सुरक्षा देवार दायित्व होची राज्य सरकारंकर एटा मोर अधिकार अछि। मु निर्वाचित सांसद, राजधानी रो निर्वाचित सांसद, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय एई जे अराजकता, ए जे अशांति सृष्टि और ए जे गुंडागर्दी अछि याकु नेकी अवगत अछंती तो जानी छंती। जोठी से बसी छंती राजधानी रे तांको घर मो घर, तांको घरठू मो घर होची 2 किलोमीटर से जानी छंती तो तांको घरे रही की जे 2 किलोमीटर दूर रे जड़े महिला सांसद को बास अच्छी, बास भवन अच्छी और जड़े महिला सांसद सुरक्षित नुहंती से जानी छंती तो गतकाली घटना विषय से अवगत अछंती तो।
The much awaited Ranveer Singh starrer 83 is all set to release in cinemas on 24th December. The Bollywood power couple Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone shared a 59-second teaser of the film which opens up in a cricket stadium with a match getting into a big turning point. There is an intense match between Team India and West Indies. The iconic ground seems to be the Lord's Cricket Ground where India won its first World Cup and made history. The teaser ends with actor Ranveer Singh, who plays the role of former Indian cricket captain Kapil Dev, waiting to catch the ball. Directed by Kabir Khan, the film revolves around India's historic 1983 World Cup win.
The fire services personnel recovered the bodies of 4 students who had earlier gone missing in waters of Mahanadi River in Cuttack. The 4 students went missing while bathing in Mahanadi River near the Ghat. The body of one of them, identified as Khetrabasi Behra, was recovered from the river last night, while the mortal remains of Chandan Behra, Akash Bhalia and Subham Shetty was fished out today. All the boys were classmates and studying in class 8 and aged between 13 and 14 years. Shreyas Iyer became the 16th Indian batter to make 100 on his test debut, joining an illustrious list which includes legendary Lala Amarnath, Gundappa Vishwanath and BCCI President Saurav Ganguly among others. The elegant right-hander batter who hails from Mumbai's Worli area achieved this feat in the ongoing first test against New Zealand on the second day of the match at Green Park Stadium.
Top official sources reveal that the World Health Organization is monitoring the new coronavirus variant, that is B.1.1529, first detected in South Africa, and will hold a special meeting to discuss if the heavily mutated strain will become a variant of interest or a variant of concern. The latest variant is the most heavily mutated version discovered so far. First identified in South Africa at the start of this week, the strain has already spread to neighboring countries including Botswana, where it has been reportedly detected in in fully vaccinated people. The new variant has been red flagged by scientists over an alarmingly high number of spike mutations that might make the virus more resistant to vaccines, increase its transmissibility, and lead to more severe COVID-19 symptoms.
13 years of 26/11 Mumbai attacks was observed with floral tributes to the martyrs who laid down their lives while fighting terrorists who attacked Mumbai on November 26, 2008. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, and State Home Minister Dilip Patil paid their respects at the memorial at police headquarters in South Mumbai.
The centre said that it would activate working groups to address mutual concerns of India-US bilateral trade. The decision was taken at the 12th ministerial level meeting of the India-US Trade Policy Forum, chaired by Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal and USTR Ambassador Catherine Tai. These working groups would be created for sectors such as agriculture, non-agriculture goods, services, investment and intellectual property, said a Ministry of Commerce statement, adding that these groups will meet frequently and chalk out a plan of action by March 2022.
The Odisha government has directed all the district collectors to set up Anganwadi centers in government primary school premises, expressing concerns over the operation of a large number of Anganwadi centers in rented house and community halls. The Principal Secretary of Women and Child Development, Anu Garg, directed all district collectors to construct the Anganwadi centers in government-run primary schools.
The head count of Royal Bengal tigers has commenced at the Simlipal Tiger Reserve from today. The enumeration exercise to ascertain the number of big cats habitating the reserve will be carried out in 4 stages spread over a period of 7 days. The first phase of the quadrennial tiger census is being conducted in 55 forest beats under the Korangia Forest Division. Similarly, 70 forest beats of the North Wildlife Division under the supervision of Deputy Director Simlipal Tiger Reserve, Sai Kiran, will also see the tiger census.
That's it for today. You were listening to OTV Top 10.